Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to my review on Forsage, Ethereum and TRX Forsage. Today's video is gonna be a bit different because normally I post the videos on the trading charts and the trading ideas and the educational stuff about the trading charts as well. But today I'm gonna share my review on Forsage, Ethereum and TRX Forsage with you guys. And if I'm talking about the TRX Forsage, I'm not talking about this platform that is the ForsageTron.io. I'm talking about this platform that is TRX.Forsage.io. This platform owned by the Forsage. Therefore, I'm just closing this one, and we will emphasis on these two platforms, and we will also try to understand that what is the difference between the Forsage Ethereum and the TRX Forsage, and what was the need to create another platform if they have this platform that was the Forsage.io, even though almost 1 million people have joined this platform within few months. If you will watch these statistics on their site, then you can see that within few months almost more than 946,000 people have joined this platform. Almost 1 million people have joined this platform. In today's video, I will also tell you how this platform works. For example, how the different slots of X3 and X4 can generate profit for you actively and passively as well. And in the next few videos, I will also post the training stuff, that how you can set up your wallet, up to how you can buy the different slots and the different kind of troubleshootings as well. I'm also sharing my email in the video's description as well. If you have any problem, you can also contact me through that email. And I'm also sharing my referral link to create my Forsage team. You can join this platform using my referral link as well. And my ID is, let me define my ID, I just forgot that. That is 94633. I've also shared this ID in the video's description as well. So when you will register for Forsage, then make sure that my ID will be displayed on the screen. I'll also tell you how to do that later on in this video. Now, first of all, let me tell you what is Forsage. I think most of the people from you will know what the Forsage is. But there are a lot of people who are still thinking that this is something scam, and like we had in the past history, the BitConnect and other scams as well. So they're thinking in this way that Forsage will be some kind of scam, but this is a completely self-executing smart contract on Ethereum blockchain and the TRX as well. So there are no chances of a scam because nobody administrates the system and there are no managers, and there are only creators who are equal participants like you or me, like everyone else. And the profit that we earn in this system routes from other people directly into our personal wallet. That means there is no hoarding in the system. The income belongs to us only. Therefore, we can call it as a nothing more than a payment gateway that facilitates peer-to-peer commission payments between its participants like you or me. And the smart contract is always public in this platform. Anyone can see the code and can reach the transaction history as well. Even you can find the other people's transactions and their statistics as well. For example, let me show you my ID that I'm going to create a team underneath this ID that is 94633. If you'll click here and click on the viewing, then you can find my all statistics here. How many slots I've bought and how much I've earned and how many people I've recruited in this platform. Okay, now let's move to the answer of the question that if almost 1 million people have joined the Forsage.io in just few months, and this is very successful platform and the people are earning a lot from there, why there was need to develop another platform that is the TRX.Forsage.io? The simple answer is the gas price, the gas fees. Because in order to join Forsage.io, you need to find a suitable movement when the gas price, the Ethereum gas price is low in order to join the Forsage Ethereum. And pretty straightforward, I would like to tell you that for more than 2 weeks, I'm not able to find that perfect movement. For example, let me show you in a live example. This is Forsage.io, and I'm just going to register. I'm just clicking on the registration on the Ethereum, and when you will see this very high, it means that the gas price is very high. Sometimes it shows high and sometimes it shows very high. For more than 2 weeks, I'm trying to buy Ethereum. I'm trying to buy the slots here, but I'm not able to find that movement when the Ethereum gas price will be low. For example, I'm just clicking on to register. Now you can see that in order to buy first 2 slots, one in X3 and one is in X4, I need less than $20 to pay. But in order to pay this one, I need to pay more than $78 in the gas price. So this is completely insane, frustrating. Therefore, in order to find the solution for this problem, they have launched the TRX.Forsage.io. Therefore, I've decided to join here, to start here at TRX.Forsage.io. And when there will be some resolution for that problem, for that gas problem in Forsage.io, the Forsage Ethereum, I will also start with that as well, because more than 1 million people are working there. And if you watch the statistics here, and you can see that so far 94,633 people have joined in just a few days this platform. So this is the golden time period to join this platform. You can have a massive spillover and spill under as well. But spillover and spill under is not guaranteed. But you can earn actively and passively in both ways. But most of the people are earning in both ways. Now, let's try to understand how these slots work. For example, this is the X3 and these are the X4 slots. You can start even buying X3 first slots, like 100 TRX here in X3 and 100 TRX here in X4. At this time, the TRX price is almost 3 cents. So for example, if you're starting with only these slots, then 200 TRX will cost you even less than $6. Then it means that you can join this and start with this platform in less than $3. But I would suggest you that you should start with at least 3 slots here and at least 3 slots here. And if you can recruit the people, then you should buy maximum slots here. And if you are weak in recruiting the people and you want to earn passively, then you should buy the maximum slots here. We have 12 slots here, 15 slots here on X3 and the 15 slots X4 as well. Now, how these slots works and how these slots can generate the profit for you. Like for example, you have bought this slot, and when the person will join with your referral, and he will buy this first slot, for example, this will be that person, then the complete 100% of that payment, that is 100 TRX, will be, you will receive that payment. And when the second person will come under this slot, using your referral, and he will buy this slot, the first slot, then you will also receive the complete 100% of that payment as well. But when the third person will come here, then the profit, this payment will be gone to your upline. Same will be happen here. For example, some person will buy the slot underneath you, then you will receive the complete 100% payment. And when other person will come here and he will buy the second slot underneath you, then you will receive the complete payment, the 200 Tron. And when the person will buy a slot here, then again, this payment will be gone to your upline. But this enables you to repeat this cycle again and again, here and in every slot, and so on and so forth. And now, if we watch this X4, how it works, this is a bit different, and this is the team building slot. Here you can earn the passive income as well. For example, if you're not sharing your referral with the other persons, you're not recruiting the people, then you can earn here. Therefore, you should buy as many slots here as you can. Now, this is also very simple. For example, some person will buy here the first slot underneath you in X4, then the complete payment will be gone to your upline. And when the next person will buy the slot here, that payment also goes to your upline. But when this third person will buy this first slot underneath you, then you will receive the complete payment, the 100 TRX. And here, when this fourth person will buy, then you will also receive the complete payment, and this third person's payment will be also received by you. But when this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 person, this sixth one will buy the slot here, that will also go to your upline, and that will again enables you to repeat this cycle again and again. And same will happen here, and the same will happen here. For example, if you have bought all these 5 slots, for example, I have bought all these 5 slots you can see here, and someone will buy this slot as well, then I will not able to receive this payment because I don't have this slot. Therefore, the profit will again go to my upline. And if my upline member will have this slot, then he will receive the payment. Otherwise, the payment will, this profit will find another person who will have this slot. Then the payment will be received by that person who will have this slot. So this is a very easy and simple system, and same happens here. For example, someone buys this slot, I don't have this slot, then the profit will go to my upline. If my upline member will have this slot, then he will receive that payment. Otherwise, he will also miss the profit, and the payment goes to some other person who will have this slot. So this is a really very easy system. This is not a rocket science, and this is not a scam as well. After a complete research, I have jumped into this system. This is completely genuine, decentralized, self-executing based on the smart contracts system. So you cannot call this system as scam. So therefore, I'm going to build my team. I have also shared my ID, that is 94633. Be sure that when you will be creating account here, then this ID should be on the screen. For example, let me just show you. I'm just going to log it out, and when you will use my referral, this is my referral, and after entering my referral link, you can see that my ID is visible here, that is 94633. So you need to make sure while creating account here that my referral should be visible here. And you just need to, after that, click on this automatic registration, and it will automatically pop up your Tron Link wallet that I've already added the extension here. If you don't have the Tron Link extension added in your browser, in the next video I'll tell you how to set it up, and I'll also in the next video tell you that how you can set up your account. However, that is not a very much difficult thing. You can also do it without any training videos as well. If you will have any problem, I'm also sharing my email address in the video's description. You can contact me. I'll definitely help you to set up your account and your TronLink account as well, your wallet as well. So up till next video, take care, goodbye.